I would say MTV Cribs. Well, it's Instagram Cribs. Welcome to my crib. As you can see the ceiling right there almost. We'll get to it later. But as you come in, you enter the master bedroom. This is the one, you know what I'm saying? This is section crib. So in this section right here, you have, ain't no magic happening in here, but yeah, pillow, comfy, fineness, you feel me? On the wall. Then you come over here, this is where the heater's at. Nothing but heat coming out of there. No smoke, no nothing. Nothing but heat. Then we go over here to the kitchen. The inventory on the kitchen, we got tuna, M&Ms, some Cheez-Its, oranges, a lot of water. Yeah, that's the kitchen. Socks, I guess you would call this the closet area. Put that right there. As we come over, roll over to the hygiene area. All your hygiene goods and stuff like that. Yeah, Instagram Cribs. Welcome to my crib. Oh, we in the woods too. We in there. Got a sign right there.